All right, so here's a look at this laundry basket. The cool thing about this is the fact that it's going to be extremely slim. So I didn't want a big bulky laundry basket here in our bathroom. You can see if I put it up against the wall, it really only comes out almost the same as our towel rack. And even if we wanted to, we could slide this behind the door and you can see it would be completely out of sight. The color that we went with is going to be this light kind of wooden color. And then on the inside, it's going to come with this bag, which is great because you could really just undo these, and it has some straps, so you could just pull this out and bring it with you over to the laundry room. And it also come with another bag as well, so you can use that other bag for the clean clothes, bring those into your room, and then switch this back into the laundry basket, making it really easy to pull everything out of here without having to bring the whole thing with you. Now if you wanted to, I mean, it's not really too heavy. You could see our clothes are pretty like 80% full in here, and it's still not that heavy. Now down here at the bottom, it does have roller wheels, so if you've got a tile bathroom, something that's nice and smooth, you can roll this around. But if you wanted to push these little locks down, this will lock into place so it doesn't slide around. And if you, let's say you're not going to be bringing the bag out, maybe you just want to roll this over to your laundry room, it's nice and easy because these will actually roll pretty good over on carpet, especially when it has a little bit of weight inside of it. So overall, it's just a really good laundry basket. It's nice and thin, and I feel like for two people, it usually takes us maybe 4, 5, 6 days to fill this up, kind of just depending on how many times we go work out or something like that. But it's a great looking laundry basket. I like the fact that it's really slim and the fact that you could actually pull these out and bring it with you to the laundry room. So if you're looking for a slim laundry basket that looks really good, then I would definitely recommend picking this up.